Question 4. 10 students took a math test and their scores are listed below. Part A, work out the range. The range of a data set is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. And then we take them away. So the largest value from that list is 43, and the smallest value from that list is 15. So when we do 43, take away 15, we get 28, and that is the range. Make note about the fact that this is worth 2 marks. You need to show the takeaway sum here. So that gets you 1 mark, and then the answer gets you the 2nd mark. Part B, work out the median. So if you want to get the median of a bunch of numbers, you first of all need to have them in order. These numbers are not in order. So we have to go through and write each of these in numbers, starting from the smallest and working our way up. So as I'm doing this, I'm just scanning the list every time and looking for the next biggest number each time. So now we're in the 30s, we have a 34, 36, 37, 37, 43. And a good thing to do here is just check to make sure that you have the exact same number. There needs to be 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The median is where the middle of these numbers are, but there are 5 numbers in the bottom half and 5 numbers in the top half. So the middle, or the median, is actually in here, halfway between the 2 numbers. Halfway between those 2 numbers is 32 if you can see it. If you can't see it, adding 2 numbers together and dividing by 2 will help you find the average or midpoint between 2 numbers. Either way, we get 32 as the answer. Next part. Later, the score of 15 was changed to a score of 18. So going back to our original list of numbers here, or actually even just looking at this, that number there is going to get changed to a number 18 for this particular question. Part 1. Will the median increase, decrease, or stay the same? Well, if I turn that 15 to an 18, it's still the smallest number in that list, and it has absolutely no effect on what's going on here. So the median will stay the same. Part 2, give a reason for your answer. Well, basically what I've just said here. Turning the 15 into an 18 has no effect on the middle 2 numbers. Just to give you an example of a number that would make an effect, like if I changed that from 18 and turned it into a 35, then suddenly that 35 would actually go here, and 30 and 34 wouldn't be your 2 middle numbers anymore. 34 and 35 would. So basically the only way that that 15 changing it was going to make a difference was if we made it a number that was bigger than 30, because 30 was originally part of the process for the median. Done.